Every few decades, something big shakes the internet. The internet itself did it, then came crypto, then came AI. But today, we're standing at the start of the next trillion-dollar wave, and this time, it's written in the stars. Because what I'm about to show you could make you the owner of your very own AI-powered fortune service empire, where astrology, tarot, and numerology readings sell 24/7 without you lifting a finger. Sounds wild? Give me 2 minutes and I'll prove it. Right now, millions of people are paying $50, $100, even $300 for simple psychic readings online. Apps like CoStar, Sanctuary, Astro Sage are pulling in millions every single month. And guess what? They don't even do the readings. AI does. They built systems once, and now their virtual astrologers handle thousands of clients daily. But until today, that system was locked away from normal people like us. You couldn't start a psychic app, you couldn't afford the tech, the team, or the setup. All that changes right now. Introducing AstroMan AI, the world's first AI fortune service builder that launches your own live psychic and astrology business in a box. No coding, no hiring, no tech headaches. Just log in, click activate, and your live AI astrologers, tarot readers, numerologists, dream interpreters, chakra healers, and love coaches start working instantly under your name and your brand. It's like having a team of mystical experts that never sleep, never complain, and never miss a reading, delivering results 24/7 while you keep 100% of the profit. Imagine waking up tomorrow. You check your dashboard, new clients, new payments, new readings delivered automatically overnight. No ads, no freelancers, no burnout. Just your own digital fortune empire running on autopilot, earning while you sleep, travel, or sip coffee under the morning sun. Here's how easy it is. Step 1, log in and activate. Your done-for-you fortune site goes live instantly. Step 2, customize and attract clients. Brand it with your name, set your prices, and let seekers come to you. Step 3, get paid and scale. AstroMan AI handles everything automatically while you collect 100% of the cash. And because you're already here early, you're not just getting AstroMan AI. You're getting 5 bonus fortune assets worth $2,685 absolutely free. These include templates, traffic boosters, and client-getting automations designed for 10 times your results in half the time. But there's one catch. Only 500 licenses are available. After that, AstroMan AI goes private or turns it to a $997 per month platform. So if you're ready to own your slice of this $40 billion fortune industry, click the button below right now and let your own digital astrologers start working for you today. History proves it. Every era has its own gold rush. The internet changes business. Social media changes influence. Now, fortune services are next. The only question is, will you be the one owning the platform or watching others get rich from it? Click below and step into the future of fortune telling with AstroMan AI.
Hello and welcome to AstroMan AI, your all-in-one platform for AI-powered astrology, fortune insights, and personalized destiny guidance. In this quick video, I'll give you a brief overview of how fast and easy AstroMan AI works. Let's get started. Once you log in, you'll arrive at the dashboard, your central control panel for everything inside AstroMan AI. From the sidebar, you can access features like Website Builder, manage blogs, AI Astro Team, banner ads, and more. Everything you need to create and run your own AI fortune-telling platform. Let's begin with the heart of the system, the AI Astro Team. Click on AI Astro Team, and you'll find 3 options: Live Astro, AI Astro Chat, and Train AI Astro. In the Live Astro section, you'll meet your team of AI fortune experts. For example, Luna Celeste, astrologer, Chloe Quinn, numerologist, Isla Vale, tarot reader, and Sienna Starr, horoscope expert. Each expert can give instant readings and predictions, anytime, anywhere.
Welcome, I'm Luna Celeste, an astrologer journeying with you under the stars. Together, let's uncover the patterns and wisdom in your chart. What guidance do you seek today? Welcome. I'm so glad you've reached out to explore your career opportunities this year. Let's create a warm and inviting space where we can delve into the cosmic insights that the stars have in store for you. To give you the most accurate guidance, I'll need your birth date, time, and
Now let's explore AI Astro Chat, where you can chat directly with specialized AI astrologers. Here you'll meet Arav Sharma, AI Vedic Astrology Guru, Dr. Arya Moon, AI Tarot Reader, Liam Cruz, AI Numerology Master, and Sophia Ray, AI Love and Relationship Oracle. You can ask them about love, finances, health, or destiny, and get clear, insightful guidance powered by AI. Now heading to the Fortune Builder feature. There are two options here, site creation and pages. Let's move to site creation. This feature lets you launch your very own AI-powered fortune and astrology website, where visitors can chat with live AI astrologers and you earn income via PayPal. Here's how it works. Click Create Site. Choose your domain, either subdomain or custom domain. Upload your logo, set your contact email, and add your site content. Set your pricing for readings or premium service. Once done, your fully automated AI astrology business is ready. Click the site link, and your live AI fortune website is ready to explore. Next, under Manage Blogs, you can post astrology tips, horoscope updates, and spiritual guidance to attract more visitors. Adding a new post is simple. Just click Add Blog, write your article, and publish it instantly. To boost your income further, go to the Banner Ads section. Here, you can manage and display advertisements across your site, creating an extra stream of revenue. In the Settings area, you can connect your PayPal account to receive instant payments from your clients. You'll also find sections to manage subscribers, customers, and sales, all neatly organized for you. And that's how simple it is to launch your own AI-powered astrology business with AstroMan AI. From chatting with AI astrologers to building your own site and earning online, everything is designed for speed, simplicity, and success. Thanks for watching. Your future is written in the stars, now decoded by AstroMan AI.